Hey guys, within this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Booking.com app on your mobile device. So in this case I'm using an iPhone, so it's going to be through the App Store, but if you're using an Android, go to the Google Play Store and download the app from there. So as I said, I'm using iPhone. I'm going to press the App Store button. It's on the home page on the right hand side for me. It might be in a different location for yourself. It's going to open up the to-do page, but then you want to go down to the bottom right, the search page, and then press into the slightly grayed out box, games, apps, stories, and more, and start typing in booking.com, press search, and then that's going to give you some different listings here. I always skip past the first advert and go to the first organic link. This is booking.com right here. Press get, and then that's going to ask us to confirm our Face ID by double clicking the button on the right hand side of the iPhone device. And now that Face ID has been approved, it's going to start downloading on the device, and you can see the progress of the download by the sort of blue ring around the circle. Just give it a little bit of time for the app to download on the device. I'll be back in a little second. And there we go guys, Booking.com has been fully downloaded on this device. From there, the App Store gives us the option to actually open the app from within the App Store with this open button. Press the open button and it's going to launch the Booking.com app. Manage cookie settings, accept. I always press allow to these notifications to track your activity across other companies' apps and websites, because this will give us tailored advertisements to the things that we like in the future. Please turn on notifications. I will press not now. And then from there, it basically will give you access. If you just want to sign in for easier access to your trip details, you can press continue with Google, continue with Apple, continue with Facebook, or continue with your email address. I'm going to press the X at the top left, and then that will show us basically the Booking.com app. If you do want to sign in from there, press the bottom right section, the sign in page, and then you can sign in by pressing the blue button right there. But if you just want to start booking different destinations, hotels, flights, car rental, taxis, attractions, you can do that from within the app. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you do have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Thank you.